close to 15 over this. We could get a nice bounce on the 15, back into the open print, maybe even back in opening range highs for another short, you know. We only got about 10, 15 bucks risk reward from here if we break down. So I'm not doing anything here. We got a nice 5-minute candle open over the opening range. We got bought up right there. Like normally that'd be a decent long, but there's no effing way I'm touching this shit. Come on, give us a bounce to get a good freaking short on at least. So now top of the hour is coming up, 8 minutes. We're gonna be right in a 60-minute 9. So I've missed the long. There's really nothing here except for that short. It's a 1, 2, 3 reversal on the 60-minute 9. If that sets up in the first minute, I mean, that's about all I see here.
Order filled.
It's right at the top of the hour. So I'm trading the time. I'm buying the open of this candle for the pullback. Of course, we are not here. So I took my first strike a little bit further out of the money. 41.25 is my target. Size down, took the strike a little further out of the money, but I got one full size strike on here. And if we do get that pop up into here, I'll get that combo on. Target is 41.10 area. I am the second tick from the bottom, boy. Let's go. Got a beautiful top of the hour setup, 60-minute 9 overhead. If the bulls save it, they save it. If they don't, I've got the best trade of the day right here. Show me that 41.08.
Order filled.
There we go. Paid myself first target. So I'm looking for my next targets, right? My next targets are down here at 4,100 area. Wait for this time to work for me. What if this 5-minute candle closes under the 50 fib? I'm not selling nothing. I don't have to sell my target if we close under that. This is the beauty of time and price. Second target hit, and I'm looking to get a good add up into this 41.10.
Order filled.
Pay myself into 4,100. So I went ahead and took off 80%. Now, if we can bounce back up into here, I might go ahead and start adding strike.
Order filled.
I just threw out, to pay myself a little bit there. Still got a sell order out. I just went ahead and took a couple off there. If we can pop one more pop in 40.90, I'm still trying to get that juicy fill up there, but I just went ahead and marketed out a little bit, getting myself down to where if we break down this 40.90 area, I'm only going to have 4 contracts left probably.